I've been trying out sideloading on my iPhone for the last month, and I have come to a very dangerous conclusion. I actually enjoy sideloading now. To put that into perspective, sometime last year I made a video about using the app called Sideloadly on your Mac to sideload on your iPhone. It was a pretty good setup for someone like me that was very used to sideloading on Android. The deal was quite simple. You installed Sideloadly on your Mac, you hunted down the IPA file you needed to sideload, and then you used your Mac to sideload it. You got up to 10 free tries at a time, as long as your iPhone and your Mac stay in close proximity for at least once every 7 days. It worked. It was good for a while, but eventually I just felt like I wanted more. So when the FlekStore team reached out and gave me a subscription and then sponsored this video here, I decided to give the app a proper shot. But then before you call me ungrateful to Sideloadly, let me tell you everything I don't currently enjoy with Sideloadly. You have to depend on your Mac for everything. Installing the app, refreshing the app, maintaining the app, updating every single thing. But then with FlekStore, all you need is your iPhone. It's that simple, just your iPhone. Even if the iPhone is running iOS 27, it doesn't matter. If you think that's crazy, look at this scenario. When you reset your Mac, or when I reset my Mac rather, before then I have to make sure I go into Sideloadly's directory in the system library on macOS, and then back up the cache folder which contains the IPAs that are currently installed and being refreshed. I have to back it up and keep it aside, and then after wiping the Mac I have to move them back to that directory, or else I won't be able to refresh the apps and the apps would stop working on my iPhone. But then with FlekStore, all I have to do is restore from iCloud like normal. The sideloaded apps data will still be there, and then I go into FlekStore and install the app over, which takes the data and works normally. Let's talk updating apps. Updating apps with Sideloadly, again, you have to go and hunt down the IPA file for the new updates, and then even pray that it's compatible with the app data of the existing version. With FlekStore, in the FlekStore library, there is a huge catalog there with multiple sources, and then the apps there are generously updated from time to time. Yeah, so all you have to do again is just go in, you see the updates, and then install the version over the existing version. It's that simple and you're good to go. You know, it would be cool to see automatic updates being able to work with the whole sideloading scenario. Yeah, it would be nice, but I know Apple would rather have a heart attack than allow something like that. You know, using FlekStore, if you already have your IPA files, you're not limited to what FlekStore has to offer. You can just use your IPA files and sign them in FlekStore. It still works. And then unlike Sideloadly, you don't have to worry about refreshing every 7 days. There is no such thing in FlekStore. So you see, that's why I moved over to FlekStore and, you know, dropped Sideloadly for the meantime. Sideloadly is still good though, but it's very inconvenient, and then you are paying for convenience. That's the whole point of FlekStore. Convenience. And then if you already have your Apple developer certificates, the one you get when you subscribe to the $99 yearly plan, you can use that certificate in FlekStore without having to pay and subscribe to their own certificate signer. Finally, if you want to see how I set up FlekStore and how I set up the whole process from setting up down to sideloading, check the video right here. Hope you had fun here. iHaadi out.